Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do a closure quick weave on myself. It is currently like 3 something in the morning when I started recording this video because, baby, I had to do my hair for church, okay? And I was looking a hot mess. So I went ahead and braided my hair down. We're going to go ahead and start with this cap. And this is a very easy tutorial that you could do on yourself. So if you want to do a closure quick weave on yourself, pay attention. Okay, some things I did not show on camera. This is my closure. I did make sure the closure was bleached, or the knots was bleached before I got started. So I just mixed some 30 developer with some bleach, made sure it was a thick consistency, and then I bleached the closure, put the bleach on the back of the closure, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then I'll rinse it out, and now it's ready. Now I'm applying this cap as if I was doing a wig install on myself. So I put the cap on, cut my ears out, put the holding spray where I wanted the cap to adhere, which is where I'm going to glue down my lace, and then I'm going to proceed to use this quick weave solution to protect the remaining pieces of my hair from the glue. So I use this quick weave solution all the time. If you've watched any of my quick weave tutorials, I use this solution all the time. It is water reactive. So at the end of all of this, I should be able to stick my hair underwater and the whole cap should come off, minus the lace closure part. I will remove that first, okay? Note that. Remove the closure first and then put your hair underwater so that you can remove this entire cap. So yeah, this is the easiest thing you could use to just go ahead and protect your hair from glue. From there, I am going to sit under the dryer and let that dry, and then I am going to start gluing some tracks before I put on the closure. But this is a very informative tutorial, and again, I believe this is something you could do at home on yourself. I used some old bundles, so the lengths of the bundles is kind of messed up, but I'm not letting this hair go, baby. This is the Glamour Body Wave from my TPL Extensions hairline. I will be sure to put the link to that in the description box, but this is the Glamour Body Wave. I just freshly washed it, and I've glued these tracks before, so it's glue on the tracks, and yeah, we finna re-glue it back in, okay? And it held on just fine. When I took this out, I kept the tracks once again. I don't think I could glue it anymore. I think I'm just gonna use the hair from maybe like a boho, braids, and I could just cut the hair off the tracks and use that hair one last time for some braids. But I'm trying to give you all placement on how I place these tracks. So I'm trying to give you a back view of me placing those tracks, just putting glue on them. They've already been pre-cut, so I'm really just putting glue and placing. That's really all I'm doing until I get to the part where I put the closure on. But as usual, thank you all so much for tuning into this video. I think it is very informative, so just make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end so that you can see how this turned out. This hair is wet and wavy. Again, this is my Glamour Body Wave, my Vietnamese base bundles from TPL Extensions, and I will link that in the bottom comment box. But if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, make sure you get down in the comment box, and I'll be sure to get back to you. And most importantly, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. Okay, videos drop every Sunday at noon on this channel, and I have a ton of tutorials on my channel categorized by the type of style. So I have protective styles, I have extensions, I have wigs, I have natural styling and hair coloring. I pretty much do a little of everything, and I just love to share my work with the world. So if you are interested in all things hair, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge. New tutorials drop every Sunday at noon, and I promise you want to be here, okay? You want to be here so you can see what's going on, so you can get some ideas on some new styles, so you can see how it's done, okay? And then maybe you could take this to your hairstylist if she, not feeling what you request, and just go ahead and show her a video. How easy is that? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, so as you can see, I'm gluing these tracks on. I'm finna go ahead and put this closure on, but I'm gonna be quiet for the rest of this video so you can see what I'm doing, okay? I'm putting that makeup on there. I'm making a bald cap on the side of the head that I'm gonna lay this lace, and then I'm gonna proceed to glue on this closure and continue gluing on my tracks. But this is a closure quick weave from start to finish on myself. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for the remainder of the video, and let me know how you like it down in the comment box. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I'll see y'all next week. Peace.